The third thermal actuator we're going to talk about is shape memory alloy actuator, or SMAs, and they are a solid type of actuator. So what's SMA? Shape memory alloy, or SMA, is a metal that remembers its geometry. It's also called Menes metal, or memory metal. That means that you can deform it, but when you heat it, it will always go back to its original shape. It's kind of magic. So how does this work? Well, there are only specific, very special metals that have that actually property. And these metals, they have two different crystallographic structures, lattice structures. In the hot state, they're austenitic, and in the cold state, they are martensitic. And so then there's a temperature, it's called the martensitic transformation temperature, that actually demarcates these two different regions. The austenitic state is a cubic lattice, very high symmetrical and very difficult to deform, so it will be very stiff in this kind of, when it's in this state, in the warm state. And this is what we call the ground state, or the memory state. When the material is cool, below the martensitic transformation temperature, it will be in martensitic state, and that is actually a metastable state. And in this state, the material will be easy to deform. It will be easily to shear it. So if I have it in the cold state, if I put a deformation force on my material, I will shear it, for example, to this state. And then when I heat up the material again, it will go back to its original state. So let's see. Let's do a short demonstration of this, and you'll see that in the next video.